The question we are about to do is this one. Before we get into it, just a gentle reminder. Bvunzo wedu rikuti it is given that log x is equal to 6 and log y is equal to -2. Evaluate part A, log xy in a 2 marks, and part B, log 1 over the square root of x in a 2 marks. Saka question iyi tinoita sei? Maitiro atinoita this question ndeyekuti taudzwa kuti the log of x is equal to 6 ndokuudzwa kuti the log of y is equal to -2. We have been told this. Then part A iri kuti what is going to be log xy. So let us start with this one. Kuti tikwanise kusolve log xy, we should know ma laws of logarithms. Ma laws of logarithms anotiudza kuti, let me put down the law which we are going to use panapa. If we have the log of a adding to the log of b, panapa it's going to be base 10 atina kuspecifier. This is equal to log ab. Saka kana tine ma log ane the same base ari kuaddana, we are just going to take a na b, it becomes log ab. So ndo zviri kuitika panapa, but we are applying this law as takaishunika kudai so. Saka the difficulty inoita encounter most students when dealing with logarithms, especially kana akauya achitangira kukupedzisira kwemutemo, vazhinji havazooni kuti mutemo uyu ndo watinoda kuapply asi wakashunikwa. So kana taita take note that this is the law we want to apply, kauya panapa tinge takuti log xy is equal to, it's log x plus log y. Mazona. Then manje kana tapanapa pachanetse, taudzwa kuti log x is equal to 6, saka tino replace log x na 6 dot plus taudzwa kuti log y is equal to -2, saka tia replace log y na -2 like this. So this is equal to 6 panosangana plus na minus panoita minus, so it's 6 minus 2. This is equal to, what is 6 minus 2? It's 4. That is going to be our final answer. Saka na tatodai so tinenge tatopedza tatoita zviri kudikwa. Let us go on to B. Saka ndakubvisa this law panapa. I hope maona kuti yashandiswa sei. Kana takuita B, writing it in a different color. B yakati the log of 1 over the square root of x. Saka mutemo watakadzidza isusu ndewekuti log a minus log b is equal to log a over b. Mutemo uyu uchitiudza kuti kana ma logs aine the same base, we take a over b, it becomes log a over b. Saka panapa we are given log 1 over the square root of x. Kureva kuti we are just going to do this. This is going to be equal to log 1 iri pamusoro subtracting log the square root of x, like that. So this is very important. I hope maona mechanics dzashanda panapa. Kuti we applied this law, but tatangira kuno kuti chidzoka uko. Mazvona. So kana tadai so much, this is going to be equal to log 1 subtracting log x to the power 1/2. Because we know kuti the square root of x, zvinoreva kuti x to the power 1/2. Tadaro much, this is going to be equal to what? Log 1 minus 1/2 log x. Why tadaro? Because we know kuti kana tiine power inouya kunoku ichimultiply the whole log. Saka ndo zvangoitika apa. we applied a law of logarithms which we discussed earlier. Mtemo wacho takati log a to the power n is equal to n log a, like that. Sando mtemo wa apply. Saka ta apply that law, tinenge takungoti this is equal to, what is log 1? Remember we learned that log 1 should be equal to 0. Nepamusana pemtemo unowu. So we also have another law. Unoti the log of a base b being equal to c means b to the power c is equal to a. Saka kana tina log 1 iri base 10 panapa, this is equal to what? It's 10 to the power, let us say this is x, and so to 10 to the power x is equal to 1. Saka teta kuti 10 to the power x is equal to 1. Tikada kuinyora in terms of 10 inova 10 to the power 0. Saka tichiti x inenge equal to 0. So what happens hapa is the general law inoti the log of 1 base any number is equal to 0. This becomes the law of logarithms. Mapona. Saka ndo mtemo uchashanda panapa. Uri kutiudza kuti the log of 1 ndiani? Ndi 0. Saka kana takudzoka kunoku tinenge takuti 0. Let us clear this kuti tisakonzeresa confusion. Saka log 1 ndi 0, so it's 0 minus half. Then what is log x? Taudza kuti log x ndi 6, so multiplying 6 panapa. 2 into 2 1 and 2 into 6 ndi 3. Kureva kuti it's 0 minus 1 times 3 ndi minus 3. Our answer is minus 3, like that. So let me re-emphasize zvaitika panapa. Zvaitika ndezvekuti taona kuti since we are having 1 over the square root of x, we have to apply this law. But yatangira kunoku saka taidzosera uku ikava log 1 minus log square root of x. Ndokubva tazonyora the square root of x in index form ikava x to the power half. Ndokubva taendesa half uko, saka it's log 1 minus half of log x. Then log 1 it's now 0, so 0 minus half of log x taudza kuti ndi 6. Saka tava taisubstituta ndokungoweka kabuditsa our answer. So that is how it is done. If you have any questions, please utilize the comments section, or you can send me a direct message on my numbers.